Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you an extremely famous restaurant style fenugreek recipe that's called Methi Malai. In combination with methi, I have used some peas and yellow corns, but you can always substitute those with some paneer or even mushrooms. I have taken here 2 bunches of fenugreek leaves and I have washed them and cleaned them thoroughly. Heat about 3 cups of water and add the cleaned and washed methi leaves. Mix well, soak all the leaves in water and let it boil for about 5 to 7 minutes on a medium flame. Switch off the flame after 7 minutes. I have taken about 3 cups of ice water and now we are going to remove the boiled fenugreek leaves and put those in the ice water. Let them rest for about 8 to 10 minutes in ice water. Now they are ready. We are going to take small bunches like these and squeeze off the water. Chop them roughly like this. Continue the same process for all the remaining leaves. You can also use frozen methi leaves, but the fresh ones definitely gives a better taste. It's a little effort to clean the leaves, wash them, boil them and then cut them, but it's definitely worth it. In a grinder, combine some coriander leaves, about 3 to 4 garlic cloves, some pieces of ginger and 1 green chili, 1 medium onion. Grind everything to a fine paste. Here our paste is ready, looks amazing. Let's take it out in a bowl. Soak about half a cup of cashews in warm water for half an hour. After 30 minutes or so, add these to the grinder and make a fine paste. Add some water if required. Cashew paste is ready. Let's take it out in a bowl. In a wok or a kadhai, add about 5 to 6 teaspoons of cooking oil and 2 to 3 teaspoons of clarified butter or ghee. Once the oil is hot, add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and as they start to crackle, add some hing. To this tempering, now add the freshly made paste with onions, coriander, ginger, garlic and chilies. Fry this paste really well. Very careful as you stir it since the paste has some water and the oil is hot, so it can kind of splatter on your hand. Cover it and let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on a medium flame. After 5 minutes, let's open and check. Notice that the water has kind of evaporated a bit. Let's give it a quick stir. The onions have fried well. Now let's go ahead and add some peas. So I have taken 1/4 cup of frozen peas and 3/4 cup of yellow corns. Some salt. Mix everything really well. If you want, you can pre-boil the corns and peas a little bit, but we have not done that, so I'm going to cover and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's open and give it a quick stir. Add the chopped fenugreek leaves. Mix everything really well for few seconds. All the vegetables are pretty much cooked. Now add the freshly made cashew paste. To cut the bitterness of the fenugreek leaves, we are going to add some sugar, about 2 teaspoons. Mix everything really well. Notice that the curry has become a little bit thicker, so to thin it out, we need to add some water. So here I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of water and give it a quick mix. Cover it and cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes on a medium-low flame. I have 2 liters of boiled milk and I'm taking out all the fresh cream that's formed on the top. You can reduce the amount of fresh cream that you use for this recipe, but I'm going to use all of the cream because it definitely enhances the taste of the recipe. Even after 5 minutes and the curry has started to get a boil, add 3 teaspoons of garam masala powder And now add the fresh cream. Curry is pretty thick, so to thin it out, I'm adding 1 cup of water. Mix everything really well. This Methi Malai is absolutely tempting with freshly made almond paste, fresh fenugreek leaves and fresh cream. Oh, so yummy. Can't wait to have it. Cook for last 2 to 3 minutes without the lid and your curry is ready. Let's take it out in a bowl. Looks so delicious, nice and creamy, and it tastes very good with a paratha, roti or even some rice. Hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.